Hello, welcome back to 51 Gaps, Putting Teeth into Education Reform. I am your host, Eric Lindell, and today we will be starting our second top 10 list. This time it is questions about consciousness. And the first question about consciousness is probably the most exciting because it asks whether it's possible to superpose several distinct theories of mind in such a way as to produce one super-duper overarching theory of mind. And naturally the answer is yes, because if it was no, this would be a pretty boring video. And let me just give you a taste of what some of those theories are going to look like. One will be the ancient theory of mind self-conjured. That is, we are the imaginings of ourselves. There will also be a discussion of net zero mind, the zero-sum mind. The mind exists as two components that somehow cancel so that there's really nothing left to explain. That is a model that's used successfully in such fields as economics and physics, and it will be interesting to look at how that applies to philosophy of mind. We will also be looking at informational theories, in particular the informational panpsychism of David Chalmers. And finally, we're going to rectify a lapse that I consider there to be in that theory by incorporating process philosophy, the notion that there is a traditional bias in Western metaphysics for substance over process. And I believe that bias exists in consciousness as well for passive mind over active. And when we include the active component in panpsychism and the zero-sum mind, we're going to find that we have a much more readily accessible and potentially very successful theory of consciousness. So please stick with us. This will prove to be an exciting top 10 list. And if you like our videos, please subscribe. And in any case, we do thank you for your interest. I'm Eric Lindell. Until next time, have a pleasant day.